Hi, welcome to The Cleaning Habit. I'm Michelle and today I'm going to show you how we clean our latex painted walls. How often we need to clean our walls depends on several factors, like the indoor and outdoor weather, family allergies, or the foot traffic inside your home. As for our family, we clean our walls every week and we wash them twice a year. Let's get started. Here are the materials we need to prepare. A gentle dishwashing liquid, vinegar in a spray bottle, a sponge or a flat mop, a duster or a microfiber cloth, and one bucket for your water and cleaning solution. Dust the walls to loosen up dirt. This will prevent streaks from forming when you start cleaning with a damp cloth and soap. Start from top to bottom. Fill a bucket with warm water and 4 drops of a mild dishwashing liquid. Dip the mop or cloth into the bucket. Wring out excess water and start cleaning from bottom to top. Throw out the dirty cleaning solution and replace it with clean warm water for rinsing your walls. For stubborn spots, we'll need some distilled white vinegar, a few drops of dishwashing liquid, and a microfiber cloth or a soft sponge. Put a little bit of dishwashing liquid onto the cloth. Spray the spot you want to clean with distilled white vinegar. Wipe until it's completely clean. Sometimes I like to let the vinegar sit for a few minutes to loosen up the dirt further. I hope we were able to help you today. For more do-it-yourself home cleaning tips, you can subscribe to our channel, follow us on our Facebook page, or visit our website at www.thecleaninghabit.com. Happy cleaning!